Hello class and welcome to week 14 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be composing your great essay. As you may recall, I'm looking at the assignments page right now, but as you may recall, you're asked to write an essay, a research essay, on a popular artist of any genre you enjoy, whether it's music, film, literature, fashion, technology, even car design, or any other area of creative innovation. Create a thesis that argues for the enduring popularity of his or her work. Analyze this person's career. What have they contributed? Why is it valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as the representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre, as the way Klosterman describes Sousa. And of course, this essay has to be several pages long, 1,000 to 1,500 words. That's 4 to 6 pages. That does not include your works cited, although you do have to have a works cited page where you've cited everything from your essay on that works cited page in alphabetical order. We call it ABC order, by the last name of the author. Let's head over to the discussion board because you will be posting your GRATES peer review, your essay to be peer reviewed on the GRATES peer review forum. So again, you're going to start a new thread, copy and paste your essay into the box. It's easier to just copy and paste rather than to upload as an attachment. It's a little bit easier just to see your essay for peer review purposes. Highlight or underline any quotes or paraphrases. Highlight or underline your thesis statement. After posting, please review 2 other classmates' drafts and respond to 2 others. And make sure that you're checking for the following. You're going to look at how the sources that your peers used in their essay, how those sources are integrated, and if they support the argument of the thesis. Check to see if the sources that are cited in the body paragraphs are also on the works cited page. And you may want to review the Lumen resource for help. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.